Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all possible checking options using your IMEI number of INFINIX Hot 50 Pro Plus. Okay, so let's begin. So first thing I'm gonna show you is how to check your IMEI number on your phone. So basically there are two options how you can do it. First one is by opening your phone app and you need to type this code, just like here, and below we have IMEI number 1, IMEI number 2 and the PSN. So that's the first option how you can check it, or you can go straight into the settings, click on my phone, scroll down a little bit until you find the phone information, and in here also we have the IMEI for slot 1 and the slot 2. And in here also you can check it. Okay, so once it's done, currently we are on the IMEI.info page. We're gonna be using this site, and in here you need to simply type your IMEI number and then click on this blue button, check IMEI. Okay, now we have our phone. If you scroll down, we have below the basic information about our phone, such as device type, when it was released, the operating system, the chipset, the SIM card size, does it support the LTE or the 5G, the battery, does it have built-in NFC, the display, or the built-in GPS. Also, if you want, you can expand the information, and here you have more. You have available colors, main camera, selfie camera, available memory, and the dimensions. Also, below you have the full device specification. But I don't know, it doesn't work for now. Okay, so we can go back, and also below we have the free checks, basic options, and the advanced checks. In the basic checks we can check the warranty and country check to see is your phone on the blacklist, generate random IMEI, check the eSIM compatibility, and also report this device as lost, and then check the status of your lost phone. Also, when it comes to the paid ones, you can perform a premium blacklist check. Okay, also if you scroll down, you can shade this page with the QR code. And as an example, I'm gonna show you how the random IMEI generator looks like. So you simply click on generate random IMEI, and in here you have 10 IMEI numbers. You can copy each one of them or all of them at the same time, clicking this button, copy all IMEIs. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.